A very good day to all our viewers, and thank you for tuning in to Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free daily petrochemicals news show. We are thrilled to have you here, and if you are keen to expand your knowledge by accessing our free news, please don't forget to subscribe. Your support is deeply appreciated by all of us at Polymerupdate. You are watching the Petrochemical Market Synopsis with me, Claire Jones. It is Wednesday, July 12th. Let's start with energy and feedstock news. Crude oil prices gained on Tuesday owing to a decline in the value of the US dollar ahead of the release of key inflation data on Wednesday. Brent crude prices rose by $1.71, settling at $79.40 per barrel, while WTI futures increased by $1.84, settling at $74.83 per barrel. On Tuesday, open-spec naphtha prices rose by $10 per metric ton at the $576 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. In high-density polyethylene, this week, HDPE prices were assessed higher in some parts of Asia, while remaining stable in other parts of the region. Gains in prices were driven by rising upstream energy prices. Buyers in the region are of the opinion that prices have bottomed out. Meanwhile, there is a paucity of lower-level offers from overseas suppliers in the region. In Southeast Asia, HDPE film prices were assessed at the $940 to $970 per metric ton CFR levels, while HDPE BM prices were assessed at the $930 to $970 per metric ton CFR levels, both up by $10 per metric ton on the lower side and no change on the higher side from the previous week. HDPE injection prices were assessed at the $920 to $960 per metric ton CFR levels, while HDPE yarn prices were assessed at the $940 to $970 per metric ton CFR levels, both week-on-week higher by $10 per metric ton on the lower side and no change on the higher side. In India, HDPE BM prices were assessed at the $990 to $1,010 per metric ton CFR levels, while HDPE injection prices were assessed at the $980 to $1,010 per metric ton CFR levels, both up $20 to $30 per metric ton from last week. HDPE film prices were assessed at the $980 to $1,020 per metric ton CFR levels, a week-on-week increase of $20 to $30 per metric ton. HDPE yarn prices were assessed at the $990 to $1,010 per metric ton CFR levels, a rise of $20 to $30 per metric ton from the previous week. In Asian market updates for polypropylene, polyethylene, and polyvinyl chloride. In polypropylene, this week, PP prices gained in parts of Asia. Prices firmed on the back of higher upstream energy values. A rise in PP futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange in China further supported the price gain. In polyethylene, this week, PE prices rose in parts of the Asian region. Gains in prices were driven by rising upstream energy prices. Buyers in the region are of the opinion that prices have bottomed out. Meanwhile, there is a paucity of lower-level offers from overseas suppliers in the region. In polyvinyl chloride, this week, PVC prices were assessed steady in Asia. Trading activities were limited in Asia amid a majority of market players awaiting fresh offers from major Taiwanese producers for August shipment, expected to be announced next week. Our broadcast today is sponsored by South Korea's Direx Polymer LLC. Direx Polymer LLC is a JV company between DL Chemical and Rextech, both recognized as industry leaders in their respective fields for high-quality polymer, capable of satisfying a wide range of applications and adhesive needs in different markets. Direx Polymers plant, with a capacity of 40,000 metric ton per year, manufactures APAO products from their world-class Yeosu complex in South Korea, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. That's all for today's polymer news. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. This is Polymer Update, with me, Claire Jones, from Polymerupdate's virtual world. Many thanks for watching.